Hey everybody, welcome back. This is a chapter actually that I decided I'm going to sneak right in there purely because I know it is essential for you to succeed online. And this specific bit is about mindset. Now, a lot of people think, mindset, but I wouldn't be where I am without the right mindset. Only once I started understanding certain things could I move my business forward. And without the right mindset, I would have never seen these things. And this is why mindset is so extremely important and why I wanted to just spend a little bit of time on this subject. I'm not going to share my screen and show you something about mindset. I don't have anything to show you. But at the bottom of this, I am going to link a couple of books and a seminar or two that has really brought value to my life. Now, the reason for that is I never knew, and I've been through some things in my life, and I had a really bad self-image. I had a very low self-esteem. There was a lot of things that failed in my life, and because I didn't see it as a learning curve, I saw it as failure. I developed a very low self-esteem. Eventually, I learned that is not the right way to look at failure. You need to start looking at them as a part of your journey and lessons that you actually learn. And only once I started changing my mindset about failure was I able to say to myself, you know what, okay, let's learn, let's start from the beginning, let's take all this experience that you've now gained and then start building from there. And this is how I started beginning life at 40. Now, this is still a growing brand that I'm going to be developing as well, but it will be focusing more on the mindset because it has helped me so much. Now, there's a lot of information out there about how to build yourself into a better person. And what it really just comes down to is getting to know yourself really well and to forgive yourself for the past mistakes that you have made and to then take that forgiveness, start from scratch and move forward. To stop thinking about the past, to stop framing your future around your past mindset. And this is the thing that a lot of people unfortunately do. They suffer trauma, they suffer failure, they do whatever happens in people's lives normally. I mean, these things happen. But then people hang on to those things. They hang on to this breakup. And unfortunately, because this was such a terrible breakup and they keep on thinking about it, the next time they get into a relationship, this frame of mind is going to be how they see their next relationship because they live in a past mindset. But once you really forgive yourself for your mistakes and move on, take responsibility, forgive yourself for your mistakes and move on, learn the lesson, move on, then you start thinking about your ideal person, your ideal partner in the future, and your brain starts forming this picture and this mindset or this actual physical neural structure in your brain around this ideal person that you're creating. So when you have a relationship again, you won't be accessing the worst parts of that relationship. You will be accessing the future possibilities of that relationship. Now, this is a very, very quick simplification of how your mind works and why you should look into the future and forget about the past, because you literally cannot move forward unless you've broken away from the past. This is why carrying grudges, doing all those things, having ego, it doesn't work in the real world and it holds you back as a person. Once you break free from this stuff, you can then move forward and become a better person and literally build yourself from the ground up. And then all it takes are little habits, implementing small habits and put them with other habits. I mean, like drinking coffee. Most people drink coffee in the morning. And if it's a new habit that you want to try and start, like reading for 10 minutes, then add it to drinking coffee, because coffee is already something, or drinking coffee is already something that you do. So if you just add something onto that, it's not a massive change to your routine. So you basically just slide it in there. And this is how you basically do these things. And the key of all of this is you have to make a decision to decide to become a better person. And then it's fucking simple. Then it's literally installing the steps. It's like computer software. If you want your computer to do something specific, you install certain software. You just have to do the same thing for yourself. And the way you do that is through upskilling yourself, through reading. I mean, there's people that has put decades of knowledge into a 300, 400 page book. And they share with you the most amazing secrets of how to become successful and how to become a better person. And people just don't care about these secrets in these books. But once you start reading these books, it just blows your mind. It opens up your mind and thinking in ways that you've never been able to think. And for you to be able, or for you to be successful, you can't reach success. You can't create success. You have to attract success. And the only way you attract success is becoming a better person. And that is the thing. The moment you become a better person, the moment you start upskilling yourself, the moment you start reading, the moment you broaden your horizons, that moment things just start going. Then you install the right habits and you just keep on doing it day in and day out. If you see a skill that you might need, learn that skill. I mean, there's so many places that you can learn these things. There is no reason for anyone to doubt themselves. There's no reason for someone to sit and think, oh, I can't do this, I don't know how, because all the information is out there. The power that you get when you understand how amazing you are as an individual, and through conditioning and whatever things that people have said to you, whether it's a close family member, a friend, a boyfriend, society, media, whatever they say to you, the fact of the matter is that you are an amazing person. You just need to realize that again. You have that potential. You have that skill. You've got everything it takes to be a successful person. Only thing that you need to realize is that you actually have it. And you need to peel away all this crap that's been conditioning you your whole life and realize that you are super strong. You are an incredible being and you are capable of absolutely anything. Only then can you move forward and create the successful life of abundance that is out there for everyone to receive. But only if you work on yourself first. So this is why I've decided to add this one in here, because you can apply all these things that I'm going to teach you in this course and still not make success, because you have the wrong mindset, because you keep on sabotaging yourself because you've never forgiven yourself for your past mistakes. So this is why it is so important for you to get your mindset right. Now, this is something that is a continuous thing that you learn. It's not something that comes overnight. So keep working on it. And this is why I say, just start. You know, you have the key. No one's going to come and save you. No one's going to come and do these things for you. You have the ability to change your life today. All it takes is one decision and one commitment to yourself to say, today I change, and then let nothing stop you. That's all it takes. And it is as simple as that. Awesome. Right, so now that we've got the mindset part out of the way, please check out the books below. They are amazing books. And then also the seminar, there are some of the most amazing speakers on there. They give some of the most craziest masterclasses in personal development. And I mean, these are people you know. I mean, like Deepak Chopra, Peter Sage, which is incredible as well. Mel Robbins has been on one, Les Brown. I mean, these guys are phenomenal people, coaches, mentors, and they've helped thousands of successful people become even more successful. And they've helped millions of people become successful. So these are really important things that you should look at. So I beg of you, please have a look. Sign up for the seminars. You've got nothing to lose. Awesome. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.